guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you two very easy DIYs that I made using plant pots from Dollar Tree. I made bells, decorative bells for your coffee table, maybe a shelf on top of books, endless possibilities. I used this pot, one of these pots. They have a border that I have cut it out because I'm going to do another one with this one. And I also used this pot. As you can see, it's broken. I have kept it. I thought someday I'm going to do something with it even though it's broken, and I decided I'm going to make a bell because it's not going to be seen from the front. This was this color and has this decoration on the border. This is something you don't have to do when you are spray painting like I did with this one. Of course, I'm not a patient person, so I start spraying and spraying again, and you have to wait for one coat to dry to apply the second one. No, I didn't do that. And that's what happens, you have these drippings. I use for this color the Rust-Oleum flat soft iron that I love, and in this case for this one I use also Rust-Oleum because I love Rust-Oleum flat chestnut. And I also went on or over the decorated part on the sides with elf eyeshadow. So it's really easy, and the effect is, I think it's awesome. I'm going to show you here on the top. You can see the difference. Well, now you can see how it looks on top of the decoration that this has. As you can see, I started cutting the border. I left a little bit for you to see that it's really easy. You don't need any special tool, just a pair of scissors from Dollar Tree, and believe me, these are all scissors. I need a new pair. I have a new pair over there, but I wanted to show you, sorry, that even with an old pair of scissors you can cut the border easily. It's not something that will be a problem for anybody. So I'm finishing now, and here you go. Then, using a cutter, X-Acto knife, whatever you want, I made these cuts on top of each one of them. Again, it's really easy, just a little bit of pressure, and this is finished. Let me put the lid back for it not to dry. Doesn't look good. Much better now. What I'm going to use to decorate the top. In this case, I had this piece of, it was an old belt, and I cut a part. What is it? Here it is. I cut this piece that I'm going to use to decorate the larger bell, and I'm going to insert it on top of it, like so. It's going to be in place, it's not going to go anywhere, but anyway, I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue in the bottom just in case. I need a new stick, so let's do this. And here we go. Hope you can see it. Okay, I'm going to let it dry for a while. I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue here so this stops breaking. As this is going to be placed on top of books or a tray, I don't need to paint. Sorry, my God, a lot of mistakes today, as usual. So I don't need to paint the inside. Otherwise, I would need to paint the inside. And the last touch, I need something for this little one. So I found that I had these brushes that are really bad quality, and so I thought, well, this looks good as a handle. So I removed the handle from the brush. It was inserted here, and I painted it with acrylic, black acrylic, and now I'm going to glue it on top of this bell. And that would be it. As you can see, this is more than easy and quick also. Only takes time to be painted. I'm going to remove the excess of glue, and I can remove more later. When it's dry, it's sometimes easier to remove, but when it's still hot. And of course I'm going to add some hot glue at the bottom, just to be sure. Better safe than sorry. Hope you can see what I'm doing. So I need to leave it in this position, otherwise the glue is going to come rolling down through the sides of the bell. This is okay. So you have two decorative bells for $2 or $3, less than $3, plus the paint. Of course, I already had the paint, but anyway, it doesn't require more than one. This required 2 coats. This is only required 1 coat, so it's really inexpensive, and the look is beautiful. Hope you like this idea, and this is my version of something I watched in a video many years ago, a couple of years ago. Unfortunately, I didn't keep the name of the creator, so if she's watching, thank you so much for the inspiration. Hope you will give me a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, and also hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.